If you don't have money to buy a good lock, just don't buy a lock at all, because I'll show you the difference between a $2 lock and a 10 cents bolt. So let's think about it. How many people will have a wrench or a set of pliers or a key in their pocket in order to break your, let's say, drawer or your mailbox if you are using a bolt? But if you are using a chip lock, a pocket knife, as you can see, so it's locked, it's unlocked. Let's try with the bigger one. As you can see, or even a nail file. So you are safer with a 10 cents bolt and with a $2 lock. Just stay safe.